Sairam, good morning, dear children. So, today I'll be continuing the same lesson Natural Resources, Class 5, Subject Science, Part 3, and Chapter 5. So, in Part 2, I have explained to you about the solar energy, which is a renewable resource, and what are the activities done using solar energy. Now we will understand the other type of renewable resources, that is soil. So we walk on soil, we live on soil. Soil is also a renewable resources like water, as the renewable resources are found in plenty. It has an endless supply. So soil is also a renewable resources like water. Soil is necessary for the growth of plants. So, without soil, can a man live? Highly impossible, because soil is necessary for the growth of plants. So, plants get water and salts required to prepare their food from soil. Even plants prepare their own food. So, even plants get water and salts required to prepare their food from soil. So we walk on soil, we live on soil, and soil is necessary for the growth of plants, and even plants get water and salts required to prepare their food from soil. Now, what are the activities for which soil is used? So, what are the activities for which soil is used? So, growing plants, making earthen utensils, and even some types of soil are applied on face and body, and it is used for religious purposes, and it is used in construction and arts. So the soil is used for growing plants, making earthen utensils, and some types of soil is even applied on face and body, and it is also used, soil is also used for religious purposes, and it is used in construction and arts. Understood? And now we will understand. So you have understood what are the uses of soil and what are the activities or why soil is used for, and the types of soil. Now we will understand about the types of soil. So you have 6 different types of soil. They are the sandy soil, clay soil, silty soil, loamy soil, chalky soil, and peaty soil. So sandy soil, clay soil, silty soil, loamy soil, chalky soil, and peaty soil. Now we will understand one by one in detail. So sandy soil. So what do you mean by sandy soil? So sandy soil is light, it's warm, dry, and low in nutrients. So sandy soil is light and it is warm, it is dry and low in nutrients. And clay soil. It's a heavy soil, but sandy soil is light, it's warm, dry and low in nutrients, but clay soil is heavy soil and has high nutrients. So clay soil is heavy and it has high nutrients. And silty soil. So this is light and moisturized soil with high fertility. So it is light and moisture soil with high fertility. And next comes loamy soil. Is a rich soil that is a mix of sand, clay and various organic materials. So loamy soil is a rich soil. It is the mixture of sand and clay and other various organic materials. So this soil is helpful in both building and growing. So loamy soil is the mixture of sand and clay and various organic materials, and this soil is helpful in both building and growing. And chalky soil, mostly of calcium carbonate. So this soil consists mostly of calcium carbonate. It is usually shallow, stony and dries up quickly. It has large deposits of chalk. So as it has the large deposits of chalk, it is called as chalky soil. It is it has mostly calcium carbonate. It is shallow, stony and dries out quickly. And peaty soil, partially decomposed vegetable matter, usually mosses found in and sometimes burned as fuel or mixed into soil to improve growing condition. So peaty soil is decomposed vegetable matter, usually mosses found in and sometimes burned as fuel or mixed into soil to improve the growing conditions. And I think now you have understood this video. Now I am just summarizing the whole video now. So we walk on soil, we live on soil. Soil is necessary for the growth of plants. Even plants get water and salts required to prepare their food from soil. So the soil is used for growing plants, making earthen utensils. Some types of soil are also applied on face and body, and it is also used for religious purposes, and it is also used in construction and arts. So I have explained to you about the types of soil. They are the sandy soil. Sandy soil is light, warm, dry and low in nutrients. Clay soil is a heavy soil and has high nutrients. Silty soil, light and moisturized with high fertility. And loamy soil is a soil with a rich soil. It is a mixture of sand and clay and various organic materials, and it is also used for construction and also for growing. Chalky soil, it is mostly of calcium carbonate and it has large deposits of chalk. It's usually shallow, stony and it dries out quickly. And peaty soil is a decomposed vegetable matter, that is usually mosses found and sometimes it is burned as fuel. So I'll be asking you some of the questions relating to this video. Why soil is considered as renewable resource? You have to explain. Where do plants get water and salts? Make a list of activities for which soil is used. Name the different types of soil and explain loamy soil. I think go through the video, understand it, and it will be very easy for you to answer all these questions. So you find the answers for all these questions in the video if you understand it well. Okay, thank you. Sairam.